how to insert stickers on the video you're editing or the GIFs on the video you're editing with inShot editor for Android devices 2025 update. When you're ready to insert a sticker or a GIF, you look to the section where all the tools are and you'll see sticker right here. So when you tap on this here, you'll see these pop up here and you want to go to where it says sticker because you're just adding a sticker in. So there are three things to note here. One, within the sticker section here, you can choose between these right here. You got all these over here because a lot of us don't really get to actually take a look at it. And then you can get them for free by playing an ad. If you want to add a GIF or a sticker, you'll tap right here. And this is going to pop up and you'll also see a GIF option here. So you can choose from one of these here or a sticker here, right there. And for most of them, you will have a category section. So by navigating here, you have the different categories for the sticker and different categories for the GIFs here. And you can also search for a particular type of GIF or sticker. So we'll just focus on the stickers for now, just to give you an idea here. And if I tap in a search bar, I can choose like maybe a subscribe sticker, okay? And then I'll go ahead and use the search on my keyboard and it's gonna load me up a bunch of different stickers for subscribe. Once I select that, that's going to show up like this here, somewhere in the middle of your video. Okay, so that's one of the other ways around here. And just a little quick thing here, with the sticker section, you can also choose to add a photo. So if I go here, and instead of just the stickers or the GIFs here, and I browse back here, make sure I navigate here. You want to navigate in this section here. This icon here lets you to choose a photo, which will appear as a sticker, and you can edit them and add them into your video, just so you know, okay? So with all that said and done, let's just say we have our sticker now inserted. It's this one right up here. And tapping on it here will, one, allow you to increase how long it's gonna play on the video. Also, maybe I wanted that sticker to appear on this part of my video and not here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold it down. And you notice how it kind of fades back and you'll pull it over to where you want it to be, okay? And now it's here. Now with that, I can either tap here to get this here or this set of options here. And stickers can be flipped around, okay? So you can tap this by having them flip. You can also adjust the size of them and make them smaller or move them around where you want it to be, okay? This is a beginner's guide, just so you know. So tapping on the edit pencil icon here will give me these set of options. And for just a sticker here, you have an animation effect. So you can have this here where it appears as an animation. You can watch up here versus here. You can come from the left and right with the arrows here up and down. And you can increase how fast it plays or how slow it plays with this here. And you also have the in effect and the out effect here, or the loop effect, which is going to be kind of crazy here, but if you don't want it, just go with none right there, okay? You also have the transparency here as to how visible that sticker is going to be, okay? And once you're done with all these changes, you can now have your sticker here, and you can add many more. You can also copy the sticker. So if I tap back here with this section here, and I go to the edit option here, you'll notice these here, like this here. And if I press the check mark here, and I'm done with this, go back to the sticker, tap on it here, I can browse over and you'll see the copy option here. And that'll create a second of the same sticker having two of them, okay? In another video, I'll cover how to do the keyframe, which will work the same for text, inserted videos, and stickers, like and sub.